Hi, my name is Carlos, and I would like to invite you to be part in one of the practical exercises of the AO CMF course in management of face trauma. Let's come with me. Here you can see how the students are applying the principles of AO in the treatment of the fracture of the midface. They previously had some lectures and case discussion on this same specific topic. So this is the best way into they can reach a comprehensive learning of all the principles of the AO in the treatment of the fractures in the face. In some of the courses, we have the possibility to visit some facilities like lab for 3D printing. In this case, we can see the printers to produce 3D models for the treatment of trauma.